And welcome back to Tip of the Week. This is a special tip just for owners of Zenith Aircraft. We're coming to you from Oshkosh Air Venture 2018, and we want to let you know about a new product. Now, this is in regard to the Bungee nose wheel suspension for most Zenith aircraft. The Bungee is a part that needs to be inspected and replaced on a periodic basis, as any part on our aircraft. It's just that the nose bungee on the Zenith, if it fails, for example, when you're landing, it would just not be the best of times. Well, it turns out this year, Zenith has announced a new replacement for the Bungee, and we are honored to have Roger from Zenith tell us about this new item, which will be available eventually. So if you own a Zenith, you'd be very interested in listening to this next topic.
Hi everyone, I'm Roger at Zenith Aircraft Company, and today we're here at the 750 Cruiser. We're going to show you the new suspension for the nose gear that we are developing. We call it either the puck or the donut system, and we have several of these little pucks or donuts in line with the nose gear. We are looking towards changing it out from the Bungee. There's nothing wrong with the Bungee system in the past, but we're trying to make it where the nose gear is a lot smoother, easy moving the rudder, and it's just a lot nicer installation. We've been testing it for the last year. As you noticed, we had a little video of our flight coming up here talking about it, and we're real excited about our new puck system, and we should be offering the system by our open house in September. Sometime in September, the 21st is our open house, and the cost right now, we're still trying to develop and see what the cost is going to be, but it shouldn't be much more than the normal nose gear system.
And the replacement's going to be easy, the conversion?
You can replace it. You can either take your existing nose gear and cut off the attachment for the Bungee and re-weld it, or you can purchase a new nose gear from Zenith, and the cost for the new nose gear is really inexpensive anyway. As you can see, you still have the nose gear steering, rods to the rudder pedals, and then you have a stop sleeve down here at the bottom, and we have two of them. And the reason we have two stop sleeves is that's how we're getting the tension on the Bungee or on the puck system, is we loosen one and stick a screwdriver and pry it up there. We are going to develop a tool that you can actually screw or tighten the pucks up, because you need to have a little tension for the self-centering down here at the lower end of the nose gear. Yes, they're called the preloading.
That is very, very exciting. And would this be for like 701, 601, 750, everything? Or?
We've done the installation on our 650 aircraft. We've done the installation on our 750 Stoll, and we have the installation on the 750 Cruiser. The 701, we're looking at it, but it's a little bit different nose gear installation, narrower channels, so we're going to have to modify some areas to make the same system work. But yes, we are going to do the 701. Just going to be a little longer than September for the 701.